let's talk a little bit about digital marketing for beginners. Is there really a way that you can earn an income online as a complete beginner without having any experience in marketing, without being social media savvy, and without being tech savvy? Well, I've got good news for you. The answer is absolutely yes. Back in 2023, guys, when I was overwhelmed and stressed because I was working full time but I wasn't making enough money, I had absolutely no clue that you could have a business online running on autopilot for you. And this one day, a lady stepped into my salon. She spent a lot of money on her face and I was like, hey, I live in a small town. What do you do for a living? And she told me about digital marketing. Now, I went online and I Googled about this thing to see if this was true. And I saw that you could actually follow a step-by-step system without having experience, a done-for-you system that was already set up for you. And as you are learning these skills on how to attract daily paying customers, meaning that you don't have to recruit, and as you are learning how to build your brand, and as you learn how to have a successful online business, you get to earn at the same time because you get the master resale rights to this program that is in the e-learning industry, which is the fastest growing industry out there. So if you want to learn this blueprint that I followed, this step-by-step system on how you can make $900 a day, my friend, I want to help you. Comment ready and I will share the blueprint details with you.